Aloha. Today we're going to be learning about the reasons for the seasons. As you may or may not know, seasons occur due to Earth's relationship with the sun, and there are 4 seasons: summer, spring, fall, and winter. Let's pretend that this Pokeball is the Earth, the red or the top being the northern hemisphere, and the white or the bottom being the southern hemisphere. Both hemispheres are separated by a line that goes through the middle of the Earth that we like to call the equator. Let's use this phone as the sun. Right now, this is going to be us. We are facing the sun, so it's the middle of the day. As the Earth rotates, the sun is setting, it's nighttime, the sun is rising, and we're back to where we started, the middle of the day. This is a 24-hour cycle that we call a day. While we rotate, the Earth also spins around the sun, and it takes 365 days to get back exactly where it started, and that's what we call a year. You may think that the Earth rotates around the sun in a perfect circle, but it actually goes in an oval-like shape, like this. The Earth rotates on the axis, which is a line that goes from the tippity top of the northern hemisphere all the way through the bottom of the southern hemisphere. But the Earth is tilted at a 23.5 degree angle. It stays tilted as it moves around the sun. Let's look at the impact the sun has on the Earth on the northern hemisphere. The top is the northern hemisphere, and when it's tilted like this, as you can see, it's not getting as much sun as the southern hemisphere. So this would be considered winter. As it spins all the way on the other side of the Earth, the northern hemisphere is getting a lot more exposure to the sun than the southern hemisphere. And this would be called winter for the northern hemisphere. Alaska is one of the most northern places on the world, and they have almost 70 days of no sun and about 80 days of straight 24-hour sunlight. Now, most people would think that when the sun is closer to the Earth, then it's summer, and when it's farther, then it's winter. But that's not the case. The farther the sun is, the stronger and brighter it is, as you can see. The closer the sun is shining less on the Earth, and light energy is more concentrated on one part, as you can see, than it being spread out for more of the Earth to get exposed to the sun on. That is how we get winter, summer, spring, and fall.